Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. You must have known by now that the jackpot stock for Monday's session is Aurobindo Pharma. Currently I am on daily chart and I can draw a channel pattern. I'll explain you everything in detail. And this channel pattern was broken in Thursday's session, but the sellers were not in numbers and unfortunately they could not sustain the selling pressure. However, in Friday's session, the prevailing selling pressure was picked up by the sellers who were watching it from the sidelines, and hence we can see a decent sized bearish candle. One more thing, the breakout is finding support near the level of 855 to 856. Going to hourly chart, let me zoom out a bit. As you can see, there are number of candles which have wick on the lower side. As I always say, wick on the lower side indicates selling buying pressure. What does it mean? That sellers were able to push the price lower, but due to decent enough buying pressure, they could not sustain it. Hence, the closing price is higher than the low of the candle. Going to 15-minute chart, we certainly see lots of attempts made by sellers. This was the first attempt to break the support level, but they failed miserably. In the second time, they did went lower than the low of the previous downtrend, but again buyers came in. As you can see, this long wick, long range candle implies that the selling pressure has subsided, though the volume activity is not increased, which means that even though there is a long range bullish candle, we certainly can see and feel bit of selling pressure. So what will give or pave way to selling pressure? And that is the breakout here. Pay attention. The retracement from the support level is almost at the same level. This is first retracement, first one, this is second one, which means that there is a kind of a barrier, and this is where there are sellers. But if we pay close attention to it, the sellers are not in numbers. We can only see smallish bearish candle. So once price breaks above the high, we should easily see lots of buyers coming in. Buyers who were trying to push the price up will get encouraged, and hence they can buy in numbers, and we should easily see higher highs being achieved in Monday's session. I do see there is lots of scope. We can easily get, or we can easily see high volume activity till 885. Only what we need is we need the breakout to happen on the back of rising volume activity. If that happens, then there should not be any doubt on decent bullish momentum, which may not get to 884, but at least 875 should be a decent target. Based on the analysis, these are the levels which I have chalked out. And one thing that I have to say, after the breakout, I do feel that the level of 868 can act as a bit of a resistance for price. If that is broken on the back of decent enough volume activity, then I don't think so anything can stop the stock price from reaching 875 or 885. Make sure that you trail your stop loss so that you can gain additional momentum if there is any. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy your weekend.